Let's add fingerprint lock. Go to your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Here, tap on lock screen. And here under biometrics, tap on fingerprints. Tap on pin fingerprints, or you can select password and fingerprints, pattern or fingerprints. I'm selecting here pin fingerprints, and I'm creating a pin first of all. And now tapping on done, continue. And now it's time to set up our fingerprints. So tap on continue. And now we have to register our fingerprint. So tap on register. And now press your finger inside the circle. Lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. Then press again. So now just go ahead and register your fingerprint just like so. Once you successfully added, if you want to add another fingerprint, go ahead and tap on add, tapping on done. And now I'm going to lock my device. And now let's try to unlock our phone with my fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint is working. That's it.